safe, electrical distribution solutions made simple and efficient. During this video, we will be taking you through the various installation stages for QuikWire plug-in metering. Prepare the panel board. Simply remove the door, open the meter side extension box and remove the inner cover. Remove pre-supplied meter blanking module and push meter into position. No fixing screws are required. Voltage supply reference is pre-installed with plug connector. Simply connect voltage loom and then fit to meter. Prepare CT block with CT loom. And proceed to secure to mounting plate. Place the earthing cable under the mounting plate screw head. Wire the CT to the meter. For applications where more than 1 meter is required, it is possible to loop the voltage supply from meter to meter. Remove blank plate and fit additional meter. Connect voltage loom supplied with meter, the V out of meter 1, and loop the V in of meter 2. Secure CT block for meter 2 to mounting plate and connect loom to meter. Follow the same process for any additional meters. We will now show you how to install the meter for incoming supply. Please note this particular example is a 400 amp panel board. Ensure all shrouds are removed. Fit copper extension terminals supplied with incoming CT kit to each phase. Align incoming CT kit with extension terminals and fasten to mounting plate. Remove meter blank and fit meter to bottom position. Connect incoming CT kit to meter. Connect meter loom supplied with incoming meter kit to the nearest available meter. Or direct to plug connectable voltage reference. Prepare shroud for incoming cables and fit to mounting plate. Dress cables using sticky pads and cable ties provided as necessary. Refit inner cover and front door and lock accordingly. Energize board. Meters have CT ratios preset and are ready to go.